could certainly. All we need is 5 kills, and we can put a hand together. Those are all eligible. Let's hope they all come up to temple. Is anyone watching the stream? Did you check? I know Dez was live earlier, so I didn't know if you were still competing. Actually, 2 were live. Ah, gotcha. Yep. Yeah, he went live and then Dez went live after that. Yeah. What are you doing, Teether? Get out of my way. You see this guy? Well, we have a chance at 5. If we ever get up here. Oh, I was hoping to steal. Oh, good, you got it. Oh, got one to the left. Can't see his tracks, unfortunately. Oh, really? I actually think it's pretty accurate. I don't have much problem with it. Do you run rations? It makes a difference. Alright, I'll see you in 10 minutes. I've got this M6 perma-tracked. Your team needs to quit killing people. We need the next 2 to be able to get a hand. There we go.
Enemy vehicle knocked out. Punched right through their armor. Enemy vehicle destroyed.
That's so entertaining. Well, there's probably not a good hand. Of my 1 kill. I don't know, what'd you get? The M6 was mine. Ugh. Yeah. That's alright, let's run them. Let's try. You want to try them one more time? It's entertaining. I think you're the only person, the only other person that actually is willing to run Togs. Well, another good 2 KV-1Ss would be nice. Oh, I know. I really hope they all go towards Mill, the whole team. But then don't shoot us. Ah. Right, they do enough damage to actually hit us. Right behind you. Oh, 5 minutes back. I can't believe they actually use these things. The good news is we have a chance at all the kills. The bad news is it's alone. And I'm thinking they went castle, unfortunately. Yep, they did. Crap. Maybe. It's always my favorite when someone camps and then want help. Yeah. It's probably the worst troll I've ever seen. I watched a couple games of Dez's waiting for dinner, and he's in his 140, fighting pretty hard. He's having a decent game, and all of a sudden his whole team realizes in unison that their own T-62 is camped in one of the TD camp spots on rails. And everyone's just screaming for him to go help Dez because he's got him down to like 3 or 4 tanks. And all he writes back is, "I just like to watch." And then after Dez after they call him a noob for several minutes, he just turns around up at the hill and starts firing into no man's land until he finally dies. It is the worst troll move I've ever seen. I'm just hanging out in the river. That's where I keep trying to shoot, but keep missing. Yeah, I'm pretty surrounded here. I don't know that I'm gonna survive much longer. Oh, I just got a bounce. Yeah, this KBS is about to get me.
Enemy vehicle destroyed.
Ah, track.
We hit them hard.
Well, no hand, but at least you guys are gonna get the win.
Critical hit. He's gone. Find us another target.
Nice. Good game. Yeah, it's a big map for those things.